A setback for gay rights in India as Supreme Court on Tuesday refused to legalize same-sex marriage. The 5-judge Constitution bench upheld the rights of queer couples under the existing laws, but refused to read down or read words into the Special Marriage Act, guaranteeing marriage equality. The court said that it's for the Parliament and state legislatures to enact laws recognizing and regulating queer marriages.
I'll begin by reading out some of our portions. There's a degree of agreement and there's a degree of disagreement.
Writing the minority opinion in the landmark case, Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud along with Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul has held queerness is a natural phenomenon known to India since ancient times. It is not urban or elite. It's in the domain of Parliament and state legislatures to enact law recognizing and regulating queer marriage. This court cannot either strike down the constitutional validity of Special Marriage Act or read words into because of institutional limitations. The state has an obligation to recognize unions of queer couples and grant them benefit under law. Unmarried couples, including queer couples, can jointly adopt a child. Government shall not discriminate against the freedom of queer persons to enter into union with benefits under law. The court asked the government to set up a committee to look into the practical concerns regarding benefits and services to the same-sex couples. Justice Ravindra Bhatt, who formed the majority opinion in the judgment, along with Justice Hima Kohli and Justice Narasimha, has held that legal recognition of rights to union akin to marriage or civil union or conferring legal status upon the parties to the relation can be only through enacted law.
Consistent with the statement before this court during the course of the proceeding, the union shall set up a high-powered committee chaired by the Cabinet Secretary to undertake a comprehensive examination of all relevant factors, especially including those outlined above. In the conduct of such exercise, the concerned representatives of all stakeholders and the views of all states and union territories shall be taken into account.
Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who represented Centre in the case, welcomed the judgment, stating it balances the interests of individuals with interests of the society.
Supreme Court, while stopping short of legalizing same-sex marriage, has accepted the submission of Centre that a committee under Union Cabinet Secretary will be formed to define rights and entitlements for queer couple who are in union. With camera person Ashwini Mehra, this is Arvind Gunasekar for NDTV.